Hey, good morning, Sandy. Just got off the phone with you. Wanted to thanks for the opportunity to uh, walk around your home. As you can see, we use videos effectively to kind of communicate with our clients. Not always an opportunity for us to meet up in person, but let me flip this camera around and kind of talk a little bit about house washing, outdoor window cleaning, and the roof maintenance services that we can help you out with. So first of all, the outdoor siding wash helps us get rid of any of the organics, the black mold, green algae, spider webs, bug guts, mildew, and that we can do all that safely from the ground. No more pressure than a garden hose, and it gets the windows cleaner. The gutters will be cleaner. These nasty fascia boards will brighten up, and we're not using any high pressure, so you can rest assured that no water is going to go in the wrong direction. You're not going to mess with the pressure seals of your windows. And so, end this phone call quick. Okay, so enough about the house washing. I think you get the picture there. A few things about the roof that I'm noticing. We also do roof maintenance services. We started getting in the roof cleaning industry, and then we got into roof tune-ups and repairs. So one thing I can definitely see that we would want to button up is this plumbing boot. You can see how it's lifting up on the left side. That nail needs to be pounded down, and then over time those plumbing gaskets they start to dry rot, and so we would want to get that covered up with a new rubber gasket. Super easy tune-up there. And on this side here, you can start to notice a lot of the organic growth feasting on the shingle. So this roof can be cleaned with a gentle detergent wash, and a few other places where your shingles need some help here. You can see how they're lifting up. So we want to get that resealed. Being proactive about your roof maintenance saves you a lot of money down the road. Any future leaks. The leak-prone areas is where we focus our attention. But a lot of people aren't aware that your shingles are made out of petrochemical oils. These shingles over time, they start to dry out, and being proactive about the maintenance can extend the life of your roof. It looks better, performs better. So just briefly looking from the ground, what I see here is the corners of the ridge cap are starting to lift up. You can see how they're starting to curl, and that's a sign that your shingles are starting to dry out. And once your shingles dry out, their degranulation, or the sand, falls off the shingles at an accelerated rate. And then the lifespan of your roof is further shortened. Let's get the sun out of the picture here. It's super bright. All right, so if you look at right here where your plumbing boot is, you can see how it's really clean under here on the back of your house. But if you look at the rest of the roof, that sun is not cooperating today. So how about that right there? If you look at the rest of the roof, you can see how everything's black and dark. So we would suggest a roof cleaning. That'll improve the performance of your roof by reducing your energy costs, less air conditioning costs. It heats up the house more, and you'll like the way your roof looks better too. So the three things I would suggest with your roof before we do before we do window cleaning, would be the roof tune-up, a roof cleaning, and a conditioning treatment. I'll check out this video that after this little assessment that I did, and it kind of gets into more information of how you can improve the performance of your roof and benefit yourself by being proactive on your home maintenance. You'll save yourself a lot of money once you're needing to replace your roof. It'll be a long time down the road. So I'll quit rambling. Check out this video. You'll really enjoy it.
Yeah, we built this house. It was built in 2001. The shingles were actually, I think, 40-year dimensional shingles, but I would have never left them on anywhere near 40 years because they were just getting so unsightly. It lost any sheen it had. It was very dull, and Roof Max, when they treated the roof, that all went away, and the shingles looked like they did, to my memory, the day they went on there. They did retreat the roof. We're 6 years past the first treatment and 1 year past the second one, and this roof's now 21 years old, has seen some horrendous storms unfortunately come through here, and yet my roof still looks like it got put on a few weeks ago versus 21 years ago. The new type of shingles, they don't put the same quality of materials they used to in them, and they begin to dry out. And as I understand, this is some oil-based product that revitalizes the ingredients of the shingle itself. Roof replacement's messy. You get debris in the yard, sometimes things fall off the roof and damage plants, decks underneath, and accidents like that happen. This was none of that. This was one or two guys up on the roof for part of a day. No mess, other than the fact the roof looked a lot better. You wouldn't even know anybody was here. The reason that I decided to rejuvenate it versus replace is, frankly, it was a fraction of the cost and much more efficient to get it done this way. Anybody that asked me, I would tell them I think it's worth it. We're 6, 7 years farther into the life of this roof than I would have allowed it to go, and it looks to be like it's got a lot of life left in it. I'm very pleased that I'm hopefully not going to be replacing the roof anytime soon.